What's up everybody, welcome back to the Chemical Guys Detail Garage. Today we're going to be answering one of your common asked questions, and that's the difference between a foam cannon and a foam gun. What's better to choose, a foam cannon or a foam gun? So over here we have two of our newer foam cannons. They're both a TORQ, but we have here our TORQ Snow Foam Blaster R1 next to our TORQ Big Mouth Foam Cannon. Now, these are both great to add suds, lubrication, and prevent any kind of scratches or swirls while you're washing your vehicle. But some of you guys are restricted to, by noise, or you're in an apartment where you don't exactly have space for, pressure washers and things like that. So that's why you go for something like the TORQ Foam Gun, which is simply something you attach to your garden hose. It creates a nice layer of suds so you're not scratching the surface. It's gently removing any kind of abrasive particles. And also this doesn't have any, restrictions of noise. You don't need a gas pressure washer or electric pressure washer. It simply hooks up right to your garden hose. Now over here, if you're looking to step up your detailing game, you want to create a nice thick layer of foam, you want that shaving cream layer, go with the foam cannon. The TORQ Big Mouth Foam Cannon is one of our newer products, and what's awesome is that it has this adjustable fan pattern, so you can go for horizontal or vertical foaming, and then you can also do any size shape or size vehicle, just to give it a nice overall layer of suds. Now you can use this with any kind of pressure washer, whether it's gas or electric, as long as it meets the requirements between 800 and 3,500 PSI. Now, it also has to play into factors of gallons per minute. You want to work with about 1.4, and that's just enough to give you a decent amount of foam, and you can go all the way up to about 2.5, or was it 3.5? 1.4 to 5.3 gallons per minute. Now, if you have a gas or electric pressure washer, that's your kind of choice, but in my opinion, the gas pressure washer gives you more suds. It's a little more maneuverable, but it's also louder, and it's a little bulkier, so you have to kind of pick and choose what you want to go with. But again, you can use either one of these, the foam cannon or the foam gun, and you can use it with your favorite wash soap to remove abrasive particles of dirt, bird droppings, or anything else that's on the surface that could harm your finish, while safely removing it without scratching it. So, if you guys want to learn more about these products, head over to our website, chemicalguys.com, or to your local detail garage to get more helpful tips and tricks from some helpful employees. We have locations worldwide, so check it out on our website, find one in your region. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and as always, we'll see you next time right here in the Detail Garage.